Bienvenue sur ALL4PACK. Oh, sur ALL4PACK.
ALL4PACK TV. We had lunch, of course. We didn't take any coffee. Now let's go together and eat mint tea on the other side of the Med for Packtec. And Durbin Manhami, head of promotions. Good afternoon. How are you doing? You're bringing sun. That's great. Packtec is the equivalent of LNE, National Lab of Metrology, and tries in Tunisia. What about Packtec history? Well, Packtec was set up back in 1996. This year, we've been around for 20 years. 2016 is important to us. Therefore, we have laboratories, food packaging lab, a materials lab, a transport logistics lab.
Et donc, nous simulons tous les problèmes.
And we're simulating supply and transport problem. That's why you're here. You're involved in packaging development. We have a packaging design unit, and that's it. Now, Packtec basically is one of the only, the first lab in Africa delivering the United Nations certification to hazardous products. Yes, we're one of the first organizations. Let me point out that we are the only technical center in the Maghreb countries. Also, we are the first Arab countries to have set up a technical center. We initiated the existence of the Liban Pack in Lebanon. We set up the packaging center in Jordan, and we also did feasibility studies for Egypt, but the center is not around yet. A few words about the economic situation in Tunisia. What is the economic status for packaging players in Tunisia? You've had political movements or upheavals, as it were. To put it mildly, things are doing better. I can affirm that since the revolution, for a year now, we've had reached stability, political stability, which hope will last over time. And in terms of economic stability, I think we are in a promising period, quite promising in this respect. That was the case before. You set up a biannual, by every 2-year contest, Tunisia Star Pack, dedicated to packaging operators and makers. That was back in 2002, 14 years ago. What is it? Is it a power to emulate on the part of makers? In 2002, we thought it was high time for packaging makers, for package makers or exporters. It was important for the exporters of Tunisian products, agri-food, who through the packaging will enhance their product. We thought about this contest. This contest was organized in 2002, and we are presenting 2 sections, one creativity section and innovation section. We have 2 sections, the creativity innovation section and the technical section. Namely, for the creativity section, well, we're trying to reward the redesigning of packaging or the revamping of packaging, or rewarding a new packaging in terms of design, quality. Do you have examples? I brought along a few examples. A package was damaged and was not sent in the right packaging, so it got damaged. Now, you have to your left the creativity section. We have 2 examples of innovation. The praise of the jury, the Menagro company won it with this. That's the price of the creativity. It's a luxury-looking packaging with gold printing. And inside you have like some fabric. Not really, it's not fabric, it's paper. We got a bottle, an olive oil bottle with a booklet. That's olive oil, God. But great quality oil, I hope. We got the technical section on the other side with packaging, which is basically for waste and hospital waste, syringes, pipettes with a stopper, which once sealed cannot be reopened to avoid any risks of contamination. That's quite important. Now, let's get down to the fact that you have a technical division approving the project. Yes, what's important in this contest is that before the jury met, there was a technical validation on the part of the labs. All these products were approved or validated by the technical division, namely the paper used is for food, that it does respect pharmacopoeia. When it's for the pharmaceutical products sector, yes, of course, you want to promote exports of such products. Of course, that's what you hear at ALL4PACK, of course. They must be up to the best standards, of course, in Europe. Indeed, yes, we have an alignment of the regulation with the European regulations in Tunisia. We hope to have a Tunisian pavilion in 2018 at the ALL4PACK. We hope. We're going to help you out. Thank you. Now, that was for the technical aspects. Now, what about the winners? What benefits can the winners get? It gives you, first, it's recognition. That's what's important. We have too many winners, I guess. I'm not talking about innovation awards, but I mean, I'm talking about all these small labels we have, you know, as product of the year. We have a lot of labels. We don't know exactly what it means. So you have one label. We have this label, which guarantees quality of the packaging and also quality of the products packed in it, as presented to the consumer. When you present a product with the Tunisian logo, which is Star Pack, it's a star. It's a sign of guarantee. It's a seal of guarantee, a seal of approval. I'd like to have more time, but I guess may I? Well, let us show you the logo. Yeah. Then we have the star in the logo to show you the Tunisian star of the Star Pack. Let's go back. Can you screen the Tunisian Star Pack star? Exactly. We didn't talk about the junior section, which is important. Yes, you have a section for juniors, and you launched a junior contest in Tunisia, which is disseminated throughout the Arab countries. The contest has been around since 2002 for junior, is in the wake of the Liban Pack initiative, which was set up earlier. So we'll launch the Arab Pack contest, which is an initiative of the Liban Pack. We are the promoting center, the oldest center, and the first to have launched a junior contest, but we're partners with the Liban Pack. This contest will be launched in 3 Arab countries. Yes, the launch was carried out last month in Tunisia, in Morocco, in every capital city, in Egypt, everywhere. We've had, in early 2016, a small-sized contest for 4 countries, Tunisia, Lebanon, Morocco, and Egypt, to promote every time creativity and innovation for young people. Yes, we have also a new university curriculum with the University of Design. in packaging Tunisia, and I hope it's a master's degree in design and packaging. This will be the first. The first class will come out this year. The second class. Now, great. Things are moving in Tunisia. You didn't show us. It's not the purpose of presenting the content. We have a bottle. We got a bottle of Tunisian sweets or candy, which you can offer to the audience. Thank you, German MAMI, to have joined us and representing so well Tunisia with this initiative to enhance design. Africa is triggering a lot of interest for professionals because more than 20% of the visitors to ALL4PACK are coming from North Africa and Sub-Saharan Africa. Thank you again. German MAMI program goes on with, in a few minutes, the great debate on one of the flagship topic, active, smart, connected packaging. How far can you go? See you in a few minutes for this exciting debate in 3 minutes.